Okay, we're putting the deck down. This is TimberTech Coastline, and we haven't seen these the way we tighten these boards up. Got this Powertec flooring strap clamp. Got it on Amazon, about 20 bucks, and 2 pieces. That piece. And then it's just like a regular ratchet strap. This one has a slight groove in it that fits right on the edge. Fits pretty good. Now the outside edge, it's got a groove in it too, but to protect the deck board, because it's a flat board, we just cut a saw piece of wood like this. And these are 13 feet long, and we're using CAMO edge clips. They go in the groove pretty easy, just like that. And we got 4 deck boards set up right here. And the way the clamp works, we got one end clamped to the edge. The other end clamped to the board. And we tighten it up, eliminate all the gaps. It's been extremely consistent. And we're going to show you how we use this. That in. Hi, Ben. Hi. It's a very tight, and it makes it really convenient to tighten up these deck boards, especially when we have RainEscape and we can't use the other types of deck board tighteners on there. And this little tool here comes with the edge clips, CAMO edge clips, and it makes it extremely easy to use. So that's it. And we'll have links in the description for the clamps. And happy decking.